Alright guys, we're going to be doing a song which is called the Germany National Anthem. So get all your instruments ready. So, are you ready? Let's go. Are you ready? 1, 2. The heck? Oh, got it! No!
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a shower was located over Massacre Bay, or 7 nautical miles south of Point.
Why would you interrupt my video? Why? Good. You.
34 knots or greater. Source.
You just interrupted.
Damn